Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So I am making sweet potato pie today. These are the ingredients that you'll need. I use brown sugar, but I'm going to use brown and white. I just didn't take the white sugar out yet. My potatoes, sweet potatoes, of course. I'm going to use a little lemon, vanilla, and this is sweetened condensed milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, eggs, pie crust, and then unsalted butter. I'm going to use the hand mixer. That's what I prefer when doing the sweet potatoes. Okay, so first we're going to fill up our pan with water to boil our potatoes. Okay, so I have my potatoes in the pan. I'm going to let them boil for about 45 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Here are the 2 pie shells, and then I have 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of regular sugar, and a teaspoon each of nutmeg and cinnamon. This is a stick and a half of butter, and then this is about 1 tablespoon of salted butter. This is unsalted. I have the 3 eggs, and then my condensed milk, and then vanilla and lemon. So I'm gonna do just a little tiny bit of lemon. So I'm going to stir up my potatoes, and it's best for me to use the hand mixer so that I can get all of those nasty strings off. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so these are the strings that you don't want in the pie. So it's best to mix the sweet potatoes 2 to 3 times and then take off the beaters after each time and rinse them off so that you can get all of those strings off.
myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I